Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Louis Vuitton men's travel toilet pouch in the Monogram Eclipse color. This is the PM size, and it also comes in a GM size, and if you don't know what that is, it's just like the PM is like the smaller version, and then the GM is the bigger one. This thing is super fire in person, and I think it's really sick, so I'm going to do a review on it, and I'll give you a close-up of it. So before I do that, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And now on to the close-up portion of the video. Alright, so here's the close-up portion of the review. So as you can see, this is in the Monogram Eclipse pattern, so it's relatively new. The main one that people get is the Damier Graffiti one. I think that's what it's called. It's like the checker pattern, but I personally like this pattern a lot better just because I just think it looks a lot more clean than the checkery pattern. So as you can see from the outside, pretty simple all around. The zippers on the top, and the other design features, it has these little black tabs and smooth leather, which I don't really know what these are for, but I'm assuming it's like for the zipper to rest on or something. And then here's what the zipper looks like. It has a decent thickness to it. So it's pretty simple on the outside, but it's still really sick. And then the zipper pull, it's kind of hard at first, but it definitely gets looser with time. So the zipper starts from like 3/4 down on both sides and then goes over the whole top. So opening it up, it's pretty simple on the inside also. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I tried to shine in more light, but as you can see, it has the tag that says Louis Vuitton Paris on it, made in France. And then on the other side, as you can see, there's two pockets. There's like a stitch down the middle right here, just so it's like separate. So there's two separate pockets on here, but on the side with the label, there's no pockets. So here's what it looks like on the inside. It's like a leather on the inside, and then the bottom's also leather. So the whole inside's leather, so it's really nice, so it won't get scratched or like get snagged by anything that you put in it. I don't know how to like show how big it is, but here's a pack of Supreme Band-Aids, which this is like the normal size of other Band-Aids. So as you can see, inside it fits pretty well, I would say. So you can fit quite a bit of stuff, but if you need to fit more stuff, definitely get the bigger size. Just for a size comparison, here's a pack of Band-Aids. Other thing for size comparison, here's my phone. It's the Galaxy S9 Plus. So as you can see, it's like almost the length of my phone, and then my phone's like a little bit taller than it. And then for the thickness, it's kind of like the same thickness as my phone, but my phone's a little bit thicker. And then the Band-Aids are also thicker than it. So hopefully that gives you a good sense of the scale of this. It's not too big, but it's also not too small. You can still fit a lot of stuff in it. Definitely good for travel size. So overall, really sick. Pretty simple, but definitely would be really good for traveling and just to throw in a bag. You don't necessarily have to use it for traveling, but that's what it's like made for and marketed for. So that's it for the close-up portion. So now for the outro of the video. Alright, so that sums up the review of the Louis Vuitton toilet pouch. Hope you guys liked it. This is a really nice piece to have in a collection, and it's really useful. So if you want it, make sure to get it because it's super sick and you won't be disappointed with it. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And thanks you guys for watching. See you in the next video.